Great egrets exhibit a variety of environmentally dependent foraging and hunting behaviors. The largest anthropogenic threats to great egrets all center around habitat destruction. Egrets forage best in shallow open waters, with a lack of available pooled open water habitats being experimentally proven to limit egret populations. Additionally, populations in underdeveloped areas are particularly vulnerable to human activities in the form of vehicle disturbances, boats and cars specifically. In a 2003 study by Eric Stolen, great egret foraging was shown to significantly decrease as a function of the total number of vehicles that stopped or slowed adjacent to them. In response to these findings, as well as those laid out in Trout and Hostetler's initial research, two key conservation approaches have been proposed. The first is the implementation of a buffer zone in natural egret foraging grounds, with the goal of concentrating ecotourism in proximate areas less important to egret foraging. This would cut both vehicle and human interaction, and could also be used as a means for education on great egret behavior. In conjunction with the implementation of buffer zones, conservationists and ecologists alike have recognized the need for better wetland habitat restoration. Working to restore and protect wetland habitats that egrets and thousands of other species rely on for survival is likely the most important task that conservationists must undertake to ensure that egret populations thrive in the future.
While at the lagoon, we observed the great egret exhibit foraging behavior. It is well known through observation that the species of heron have varied foraging styles. However, little was known about the frequency of these techniques used or the environment's effect on foraging. Scientists suspected that similar variations in efficiency and frequency will be found across the different demographics of heron, such as species, age groups, color patterns, and environmental conditions. An observational study was performed in Tampa Bay, Florida, where many species of heron reside. Data was collected by observing isolated herons for 15 to 30-minute intervals, and each individual categorized. Different data analysis revealed that the great egret is less active forager, as it is commonly uses stand and wait technique and walks slowly. Rarely were they observed using open wing and aerial techniques, while other species of heron were observed performing more active or even sedentary behavior while foraging. Interspecific comparisons revealed that the great egret youth were found to use the stand and wait and peering techniques more frequently than the adults. Little differences were found besides these, and no general trend was observed in the great egrets during environmental shifts.
Great egrets are a species of bird found in saltwater, brackish, freshwater habitats. As such, Malibu Lagoon is a perfect location for them, with the freshwater lagoon being the saltwater beach. One behavior observed was hunting and foraging behavior. The great egret wades in shallow water slowly, with its neck up and alert. It chooses a spot and waits for prey to approach. To feed on marine organisms as well as small terrestrial vertebrates, although it does still prey from other birds such as cormorants and even other herons. In this particular case, the great egret is patient. It waits with its neck cocked back and eyes ready. It spots prey and its neck quickly darts out and spears it with its bill, one for one. It moves slowly to another location, but there seems to be nothing near this time. As the egret waits some more, its neck darts out again. 242. Prey acquired.
This foraging and hunting behavior helps the egret attain food. The availability of prey and the density of predators may also influence its method of acquiring food. During winter, with many birds migrating south and leaving the lagoon, the egret faces little to no competition near the shoreline, as even the numerous ducks in the lagoon are much further out from the shore. There are also fewer birds to steal food from, so it is more beneficial to focus on acquiring food itself rather than from another hunter. Understanding why great egrets choose to hunt themselves may be crucial to understanding the costs and benefits of when to forage versus when to steal. Additionally, observation of the great egret's interaction with other birds and prey allows for humans to assess whether Malibu Lagoon is a suitable habitat for other similar species of herons in the wintertime.